Sir, what? Beef? Ooh. Mr. Johnson, so are you ready for your cavities? Hey, how you doing? Yeah, just a little bit of dentist humor. I heard that this is your very first time being in a dentist's office. What's kept you for so long? Well, welcome to our practice. I hope that didn't instill any kind of fear inside of you. I wouldn't want to do that. No, I wouldn't. So, 5 cavities. Boy, we're going to have to put you on a little plan. I'm going to be seeing you every week, probably now for the next 6 months. So we'll have the scheduler make sure to get all those things in order. But for right now, we're going to start with 1 cavity. Let me just poke around in there a little bit and see what's going on. All right, open wide. Open wide. Okay. Ooh. Yes. Okay. All right. Let's. You got a little bit of food back there too. Plenty of plaque. Yeah. You've. Well, we'll talk a little bit more about that. Let's see. Okay. Oh, what is that, sir? What? Beef? Ooh, ew. Oh, excuse me. I don't know. Sir, you're going to have to do a better job. Yeah, you can't, you got to floss. Let's see. Here it is. Let's get in there and get this. Yeah, we need a lot for you. You haven't done this in quite some time. Did you brush your teeth today? Usually people, when they come to the dentist, at least brush their teeth that day. All right. All right, you want to do this oh, look at all that blood gushing. Ugh. That means it's infected. What will we do with you? Well, all right, so I'm going to brush your teeth with this supersonic 3000, which puts sonic waves and will break up any particles that are inside your mouth. So go ahead and open up. Oh, yeah, that little spot right there. Let's get the top. All right, good. All right, go ahead and spit right there. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Get a little bit of that tartar off. Okay, it's looking good, looking better. All right, this is now the moment that you've probably feared the most. The needle. All right, this is some Novocaine, and we're gonna need to put a couple of spots to make sure you don't feel anything, all right? All right, open up. Okay, and then underneath, okay. All right, I'm gonna just give you one more for good measure on this side, and all right, good. So that Should be setting in. Yeah. No, I know what you're saying. Yeah. It sounds like it's working already. Good. All right. Well, I'm going to get myself readied up. I don't need any of that stuff splashing up in my face. And, yeah, I'm ready. I'm messing with you. Okay. All right. Here we go. There we go. All right. Smell that smell. Ooh. Stuff been rotten in there. All right, bag rinse. Let me see. All right, let's pack that baby in there. That hole looks nice and good. I'm gonna put the resin in. All right. All right, then bite. All right, then rub it. Is it grinding? Do you feel one touching one another? Let's polish it off just a little bit then. There we go. Now try it. Good? All right. Well, awesome. Hey, let's be friends. Matter of fact, we're going to be friends. Going to get you down on the schedule. You're going to be here every week. Next 6 months. I want to see you. All right? We're going to get them teeth fixed. Yeah, we got a lot of work ahead of us. I'll see you on the next one, all right? Take care. All right. Bye-bye. Sayonara.